Good morning, students. Hope you be fine at your respective places. Today we are going to discuss one more topic, that is this nitrogen metabolism. Now, this nitrogen, what we will see, it is an, if we see this nitrogen, it is an essential, or we can say important element of protoplasm. Now this nitrogen, it is the main component of, it is also, रुकाइए, it is the component of किन किन का है, amino acids. It is also the component of proteins. It is also the component of these what we called as enzymes. It is also the important component of nucleotides. It is also the important component of nucleic acids. So this nitrogen is an important element. It is an important element of protoplasm, amino acids, proteins, enzymes, nucleotides, nucleic acids. Now this nitrogen, अगर हम इसकी बात कर लेंगे, it is picked up as this nitrogen, it is picked up as an inorganic compound, and this nitrogen, when it is picked up as an inorganic compound, it is changed into organic form. It is changed into organic form by plants. It is by plants and also by some prokaryotes. अगर हम air की बात कर लेंगे, this air, it contains about 79% of this nitrogen, but that percentage is present in the gaseous state. That is present in the air in gaseous state. Yet अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, animals जो हैं, they cannot make use of this nitrogen which is present in the air directly. Animals, what did they do? They can use this nitrogen. वो किस फॉर्म में? Either in animals जो हैं, they can make the use of this nitrogen either in the inorganic form, either वो किस फॉर्म में? Inorganic form, like अमोनिया हमारे पास है, नाइट्रेट्स हमारे पास है, ट्रेट्स एंड नाइट्राइट्स, और they can animals, they can, so we can see, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, एनिमल जो हैं, they cannot make the use of the nitrogen directly which is present in the air. The animals, they can make the use of these nitrogen either in the form of inorganic form. इनऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म में हमारे पास आते हैं नाइट्रेट्स, इनऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म में हमारे पास आते हैं नाइट्राइट्स, और इनऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म में हमारे पास अगर हम देखते हैं, दैट इज दिस व्हाट वी कॉल एज दिस अमोनिया. और एनिमल्स इसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं इन द फॉर्म, मेक यूज ऑफ दिस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म. ऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म में अगर हम देखते हैं किस फॉर्म में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव गॉट द यूरिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव गॉट द प्रोटीन्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव गॉट द अमाइनो एसिड्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव गॉट द एंजाइम्स, etc. So these animals, they cannot make the use of the nitrogen which is present in the air. they can make the use of this gases जो हमारे पास है nitrogen in the form of inorganic form or in the form of this organic form. Now this nitrogen, it can be fixed in three different ways. Nitrogen can be fixed in three different ways. What are those three different ways? Number first, atmospheric nitrogen fixation. And what is this atmospheric nitrogen fixation? Due to some photochemical reaction or due to some what we will call as the electrochemical reaction, electrochemical reactions or photochemical reactions, जो ऑक्सीजन होता है it combines with the nitrogen. So the nitrogen which is present in the air, it combines with the oxygen and it forms the oxides of nitrogen. It forms the oxides of the nitrogen. Oxides of the nitrogen. And these oxides of the nitrogen, they combine with the water vapor, which is they combine with the they can dissolve in the water, that is twice NO. It combines with the water, it forms the, what does it form? It forms the what we call as a it combines in water or it combines with the other salts and it forms the nitrates. It forms the nitrates. So what happens to the atmospheric nitrogen? Due to some photochemical reaction or some electrochemical reaction, nitrogen, it combines with the oxygen of the air to form the oxides of the nitrogen. This oxides of the nitrogen, it combines with the water or it gets dissolved in water or with some salt to form these nitrates. This is the atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Then we have got one more that is called as industrial nitrogen fixation. What is that? That is the industrial nitrogen fixation. What happens in this industrial nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen and hydrogen, they combine together. Nitrogen and hydrogen, they combine together to form ammonia. To form ammonia under what we call as the pressure, under temperature. So this is industrial nitrogen fixation. Then we have got one more that is called as biological nitrogen fixation. Third हमारे पास है that is biological nitrogen fixation. Now what happened in this biological nitrogen fixation? Some blue-green algae like Anabaena, blue-green algae. We have got Anabaena, we have got nostoc, etc. What did they do? Yeah, we have got some bacteria which are called as a symbiotic bacteria. We have got well known that is called as the rhizobium. Symbiotic bacteria, that is this rhizobium, or we have got some free living bacteria like we have got the Azotobacter. We have got free living bacteria. For example, we have got this Azotobacter. What did they do? This blue-green algae or this what we will call as the symbiotic bacteria and this free living bacteria, what did they do? They pick up atmospheric nitrogen and they reduce this atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, and what we will see, they combine with organic acids. They combine with organic acids. This ammonia combines with the organic acids. What did it do? This ammonia plus organic acids combine with organics to form the amino acids. What happened in the biological nitrogen fixation? Some blue-green alga, mainly Anabaena nostoc, some symbiotic bacteria, mainly Rhizobia, and some free-living bacteria, that is this Azotobacter. What did they do? They pick up the atmospheric nitrogen and they reduce it to ammonia, and this ammonia, it combines with the organic acids to form the amino acid. So these are the different ways, what we will see, different method how this nitrogen can be fixed. Now in the we will continue this nitrogen metabolism, we will continue this, and in the next video we will proceed further. And until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.